Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, we are dealing with the chapter Outcomes of Democracy. I didn't took your class for 3 days as we were engaged in Higher Secondary School Handwara for preparation of T2 assignments. Before that, we discussed the outcomes of democracy, and today we will go ahead. Our today's topic is conditions which are favorable to accommodate social diversities in democracy. Dear students, you know, in most of the countries, social diversity generally exists. There is social diversity economically, socially, politically, and through other channels we see there is diversity. Every society is diverse in many ways, like religion, race, caste, creed, color, culture, etc. These are some social diversities. Democracy gives equal rights to all of its citizens and thus accommodate social diversity in the country. So far as this democracy is concerned, there is, in the eye of democracy, there is equality in every field of life. There is equality of education, there is equality of speech, there is equality of vote. The other fundamental rights are exercised by every citizen of the nation, of the country, whether he belongs to Muslim religion, whether he belongs to Hindu religion, whether he belongs to Sikh religion, any other religion. There is no caste, color, creed, sex, culture, and other things in democracy. So democracy gives equal status to every citizen of the country. So we can say it is the democracy that accommodates everybody, whether he is in any respect high or whether he is in any respect low. Democracy gives them equal share, equal right. Democracy accommodates social diversity because it not only takes care of the interests of majority but takes care of the interests of weaker sections as well. सिंपली मैं मिसाल दूंगा बच्चों आपको, जब हम वोट डालते हैं तो वोट डालते वक्त ये नहीं पूछा जाता है कि वोट सिर्फ बड़े लोगों को डालना है, छोटे लोगों को नहीं डालना है, अमीर लोगों को डालना है, गरीब लोगों को नहीं डालना है, एक मज़हब के मानने वालों को डालना है, दूसरे मज़हब के मानने वालों को नहीं डालना है। ये चीज़ें नहीं देखी जाती हैं। वहाँ अगर कोई मिनिस्टर है, मिनिस्टर का वोट भी इतना ही वैलिड है जितना एक छोटे से छोटे एक मज़दूर का वोट जितना वैल्यूएबल है। तो गोया कि ये इक्वालिटी है, ये है डाइवर्सिटी इन डेमोक्रेसी। इस तरह से हम एक और मिसाल देंगे आपको। हम शाली स्टोर पर जाते हैं जहां हम अपना राशन कार्ड लेते हैं, वहां उस राशन कार्ड पे आपको चावल, खांड, आटा मिलता है, तो इसमें कैटेगरीज इस लिहाज से है, अगर कोई अमीर है तो अमीर को एक कैटेगरी में रखा गया है क्योंकि ही कैन अफोर्ड, गरीब को दूसरी कैटेगरी में रखा गया है क्योंकि ही इज़ इकोनॉमिकली वीकर। सो फैसिलिटी इज़ फॉर बोथ, दोनों के लिए फैसिलिटी है। उसको भी शाली स्टोर पे जाना है, चावल लाना है, अमीर को भी और गरीब को भी। वह कि दीज आर सम मतलब इक्वल राइट्स सो इन डेमोक्रेसी। सो डेमोक्रेसी ट्रीट इक्वली टू एवरीबडी। There is general tendency of gender discrimination in the world. Women are being discriminated in one way or the other. But it is only the democracy that gives the weaker section, that gives the women a high standard and equal right in every field of life. Democracy has paved the path for the women to give their representation, to have their attitude, to give their I mean that women too can provide support as the men can do. जिस तरह से मर्द किसी भी फील्ड में काम करता है, इस तरह से औरत के लिए भी डेमोक्रेसी में जगह है कि वो भी अपना लोहा मनवाए। Thus, my dear students, we come on the conclusion that it is only democracy that accommodates. It is democracy in democratic setup where there are equal rights for every citizen, whether he is man, whether he is woman in the country. That is why in the modern world democratic setup is preferred instead of dictatorship, instead of monarchy, instead of hierarchy and other systems of these government, socialism, like socialism, communalism, या हम कहेंगे these other systems, dictatorship, autocracy, etc. Democracy is better than all of these systems if it is utilized properly. Thank you very much.